Hello students and welcome back. So today we are going to discuss more about lists in HTML. So in last day's video we have discussed about ordered list and unordered list. So today there is one more type of list we have to discuss, that is a description list. So a description list, earlier we know that a description list is a list of items where with the description of each item, means each item of the list has a description in the list. So let's see how to do it. So similarly, like ordered list and unordered list, the description list is also declared by using the DL tag. So DL is a container tag, so it must open and it must closed be. It should be closed. So we are going to create a list of language translators used in computer, that is assembler, interpreter and compiler. So as it is a description list, so it has a title or the term and the description also. To declare the title or the term we use DT tag. DT means definition term, or we can say description title also. So first I am writing assembler. It is not a container tag, so we do not need to close it. And next it comes DD. DD means description. Actually it is definition description, means we are writing about the assembler, so it will be describing about the assembler. So assembler, it is a program that translates machine code to assembly code, or assembly code to machine code. Okay, so save it. Next, again another description title we require, so for that another DT, and in the DT I am going to write interpreter, and the definition of the interpreter is using DD tag. We have to write this, that is a program that translates high level code to machine code line by line. Okay, save it. Now let's see how does it appear in the web page. So we are opening the Internet Explorer, Control O, and we are going to browse it, lists. So open. So you can see that assembler and interpreter are displaying as the title of these two definitions. We can add more also. Like if I want to add more, I have to add another DT tag to, so interpreter and compiler, and the definition will be using. So the assembler and the compiler, the definition are more or less same, only remaining the last part, machine code, high level code to machine code as a whole. So save it. Now you can see that it is displaying properly. So you can make the definition titles bold by using the B tag, like I am using here. So you can see that it is displaying properly. So this is how we can create the definition list. And in the definition list, in the definition there is no restriction of the character limit. You can add a paragraph here also, whatever you like. Okay, so this is the definition list. Next we are going to discuss about nested list. So nested, the word nested means one inside another. So nested list means one list inside another list. Okay, so actually how does it look? How does a nested list look like? So here is an example. You can see a list of food items, that is fruit, vegetable and meat. Inside the fruits, few fruit names are given: banana, apple and pineapple. Inside the apple, two colors of the apples are given, that is green and red. Similarly in vegetables also, in meat also. So this is called a nested list. Actually green and red, this is a part of list which is inside the list apple. This list, that is banana, apple and pineapple, this is also a list which list is present inside the list of fruit. So this is how actually a nested list look like. So here we have to follow few points, that is the labels of the list. So you can see the first label is the name of food items, that is fruits, vegetables and meat. The second label is banana, apple, pineapple. Inside the vegetable also same, inside the meat also same. The third label is inside the apple, there is two colors. So you have to create the whole list step by step, means the first level first, second level first, then the third level. So first level we are going to create here. To create the first label, it is fruits, vegetables and meat. So we are going to create a list using, and remember this is an unordered list, so we are going to use the unordered list tag, that is well and well closed also. So inside that we have few list items, that is fruits, vegetables and that is meat. So save it. Now you can see the list is appearing as ordered list. I have declared mistakenly it is ordered list, so it will be unordered list. So it is unordered list. So this is how the unordered list appears. So we have to put some other values inside the list. So inside the fruits, we remember that fruit is declared. Inside the fruit there is another list, that is also an unordered list, that is UL tag, another UL tag closed. Here we are going to put the values, that is banana, apple and pineapple. So again list items, banana, list item apple and another list item, that is pineapple. Save. Now you can see that it is appearing properly, that is the another list has been placed inside another list. Okay, next inside apple there are two more items. So inside apple, after apple we are going to add another list, that is another unordered list. Again close of another unordered list, and here the list items we are going to add, that is green and red. Save. So you can see that it is displaying properly, but here is a question, that we know that in an unordered list automatically the style or the type of the bullet is this, it is disk. By default it is automatically comes, but I did not mention this circle, I did not mention this square. Actually what happens, whenever we are creating a nested list in any word processor or in HTML also, the system automatically detects it as a nested list and automatically change the bullet type. Okay, the first type is disk, then is circle, then it is square. Okay, so now we are going to put some other values inside the vegetables, inside the meat also. I think you understand how to do it, so it will be easier, much easier to you if I now just type it. So here unordered list, and here the vegetables names. What were the vegetables names? That is potato and carrot. So list item done, and inside meet also. So inside meat, the list items were fish and meat. So save, refresh. So you can see that I have prepared this list in MS Word. So this the same list I can prepare in the HTML using the code or using the technique. So remember the technique again. First we create the first level, then the second level, then the third level. Okay. So it is very easy. If there is more level inside, suppose green, there is more level. So we are going to write the UL tag or the code inside the green, after the green. So this is how you can create a nested list. I hope you understand it properly. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.